Chuck, you almost got to pull it tight. Yeah. Yeah, dude, it gets frisky. That's why I wanted it in front of me, because I didn't want to have to do what you're doing right now. I don't know. It's a load. Good luck, Chuck. That thing is not. I'll tell you if you start moving down the hill.
I'm fine.
If you're not moving.
There, hand power.
This doesn't look like the sketchy part. Give her a little tap. Chuck, you're a pro.
Good.
See if you can get that one. Try and grab that one. Far side?
The other side?
Maybe go for the far side?